Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we will be constructing this bombshell curl look. This is featuring UNice Hair. So they provided me with 4 bundles of 20-inch. I think this is Brazilian curl. If not, I will link in the description right below. And they are all 20 inches. 4 bundles of 20 inches and a 20-inch frontal. I only got the same length only because I wanted them to be the same in length, and when she face frames it, I want it to be higher at the top and then longer at the bottom. Like, I just wanted it all to, like, I like my eyeshadow in transition. So anyways, that's what she's going to do is she's going to start sewing these bundles onto this cap. So I just got the cap from beauty supply store, a local one, and what she's going to do is just take thread. I don't think this is nylon, this is just regular thread, and all she's doing throughout the whole video is sewing from the bottom to the top of the closure. She's just taking it from ear to ear until she gets to a certain part of the middle of the dome cap, and she's just going to start cutting certain pieces so that they can lay extremely flat. So you all seen these videos thousands of times. I'm just going to let you look at how she styles it, and that will be it. So don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. All their links and social media sites will be down there, and also my mom's links will be down there as well. So don't forget to go check all those links out. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.